Welcome to the new video, guys, and this is our CO2 incubator that is used for the culturing of cancer cells, and depending on what kind of cell you're growing. So we usually grow the cancer cell, and this is the optimum temperature that is needed for the cancer cells. This 37 degrees Celsius is needed, and the 5% CO2 is needed. Okay, and this is from the Eppendorf, and this is C170 CellXpert. And so this is how it opens. You can see, so all the cell lines have been here. So it's been incubated and it is filled with the water, so keep it moist. So in the ground you can fill the water, and it is completely, and one safety door is also here, and this is the door if you just want to watch it, and the pressure will be the same. And yeah, so let's close it, and it is connected with the CO2 in cylinder. And this tells you about this is the manometer, and you can check, it is telling about it is 1000 psi carbon dioxide is here, and we have set it to the this 5% only. And yeah, so this is connected with this to the this, and I will tell you how to use it. Okay, so you can enter the menu, set the parameters. Okay, so like for example, you can back it, service login, settings, about this device, disinfect, set parameters. Okay, so let's set up it enter for this, setting the parameter. You can increase it or decrease it depending on how much temperature you want. We want 37 degrees Celsius, and again entering the temp. Okay, so this was the temperature. Now let's move it like this, and this will move to this. If you want 4.5 or 4 point whatever your need is, so we will set it in the 5% and then enter. Okay, the temperature is set. Okay, this is the normal thing. And yeah, though the thing is, what you can do here, you can service login, you can see the settings and about this device, and also disinfect. So disinfect is a process where it goes to 100 degrees Celsius or more than that, and for the whole day cycle it goes, and it will take a lot of time to come back to the normal room temperature. So it's a process then that is used before putting all the cells into the for the first time, all the cells into the incubator. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Any kind of doubt, I'll be clearing in the comments. Thank you so much. Have a good day.